The Aneng 683 Smart Multimeter positions itself as a sophisticated and essential instrument for electrical measurement and testing. Designed for precision and ease of use, this high-end device combines advanced functionality with a modern interface, making it a noteworthy contender in its category of testing tools. Central to its appeal are the smart capabilities, suggesting intuitive operation and potentially automated features that streamline the testing process. The rechargeable aspect offers significant convenience, eliminating the need for disposable batteries and ensuring the tool is always ready for use. A key performance indicator is its 6,000 counts resolution, implying a high degree of accuracy for detailed readings. Furthermore, the touch interface signifies a contemporary approach to usability, likely providing a clear and responsive user experience for interacting with its various functions as an AC/DC voltage tester and current tool. Professionals and serious hobbyists will find the Aneng 683 invaluable for a range of practical use cases, from diagnosing electrical issues in residential or commercial settings to troubleshooting complex electronic circuits. Its ability to measure both AC and DC voltage alongside current makes it a versatile tool for general electrical maintenance, installation, and fault-finding where precise data is critical. The high-end designation suggests it is built to perform reliably in demanding environments, offering consistent results across varied applications. From a design and usability standpoint, the touch interface is a significant feature, likely contributing to a clean aesthetic and straightforward navigation, moving beyond traditional rotary dials and buttons. This modern approach, combined with its smart features, suggests an emphasis on user experience and efficient operation. The rechargeable nature also speaks to its long-term reliability and sustainability, ensuring consistent power for extended use without interruption. In summary, the Aneng 683 presents itself as a modern and capable measurement instrument. Its combination of smart features, a high-resolution display, and a convenient rechargeable design, all controlled through a touch interface, positions it as a practical and reliable choice for anyone requiring a versatile and precise multimeter for a wide array of electrical testing requirements.